Keep your baby's room tidy and stylish with a reliable storage solution. The best nursery hamper combines practicality with charming design, making diaper duty and laundry time easier while keeping clothes organized, clutter-free, and ready for washing. Starting off our list is the Casafield Nursery Hamper, a perfect blend of practicality and style for any nursery or household space. This large square hamper is designed with a tall structure that makes it easy to collect and store laundry, towels, or baby essentials without taking up too much room. It features a convenient attached lid, ensuring that everything stays neatly tucked away, while the included removable cloth liner makes transferring clothes to the washing machine incredibly simple. The liner is held in place with sturdy wooden dowels, offering stability and ease of use. One of the standout features of this hamper is its construction. It is hand-woven from sustainable water hyacinth, making it not only durable, but also an eco-friendly choice. The natural woven texture adds a farmhouse touch to your decor, giving the nursery or laundry room a warm, stylish accent. Beyond functionality, this hamper serves as a decorative piece that elevates your organizing efforts. The hand-woven cutout handles on each side make carrying the hamper effortless, whether you are moving it from the nursery to the laundry area or around the house. Measuring 14.25 inches in length and 27 inches in both width and height, it provides ample storage while maintaining a space-saving design. Since each hamper is handmade, no two pieces are exactly the same, giving you a unique product with subtle variations in texture and finish. The Casafield Nursery Hamper is ideal for parents who want an attractive, sturdy, and environmentally conscious storage solution that blends seamlessly into their home. Taking the second spot is the Seville Nursery Hamper, a modern and practical storage solution that combines beauty with everyday functionality. Designed with an oval shape, this hamper brings a softer, contemporary touch to any nursery or laundry space. Measuring 22.75 inches wide, 13 inches long, and 24 inches high, it provides generous storage capacity with a volume of 3.3 bushels or 4.1 cubic feet, making it perfect for busy households and families with little ones. The standout feature of this hamper is its hand-woven construction. Crafted from tightly woven water hyacinth wicker strands and wrapped around a strong steel frame, it delivers both durability and charm, ensuring it withstands daily use while maintaining an attractive look. Inside, the hamper comes equipped with 2 removable canvas liners made of thick polyester. These liners are not only sturdy, but also machine washable, allowing for effortless cleaning. Each liner includes built-in handles with fabric straps, keeping them securely attached to the hamper while also making them easy to lift and carry directly to the laundry room. The Seville Nursery Hamper is thoughtfully designed with a 2-section interior, giving you the ability to sort laundry as you go, whether by color, fabric type, or household member. This feature saves time and effort on laundry day, especially in households where clothes accumulate quickly. Lightweight yet strong, the hamper includes built-in handles for easy portability. Its elegant natural tone blends seamlessly with modern decor, making it not just a functional necessity, but also a stylish addition to any room. With its ample size, durable design, and practical sorting compartments, the Seville Nursery Hamper is an excellent choice for parents seeking a reliable and attractive way to stay organized. Next on our list is the Hermina Nursery Hamper, a spacious and versatile storage option that combines practicality with timeless style. With its generous capacity of 132 liters, or roughly 35 gallons, this hamper is designed to handle large amounts of laundry, towels, or bedding with ease, making it especially suitable for busy families. Measuring 25.98 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 26.57 inches in height, it offers ample room for organizing laundry while maintaining a sleek rectangular shape that fits neatly against a wall or into tight spaces. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of 3 removable liner bags. These liners allow you to effortlessly sort clothes by lights, darks, and colors from the start, saving time and effort on laundry day. Since each bag is removable, you can conveniently carry one section at a time, preventing the need to haul an overly heavy load. The main frame is built from thickened, rust-proof iron tubes, ensuring long-lasting durability and excellent load-bearing capacity. Complementing the sturdy frame is a woven rattan lid that keeps laundry covered, helping to block dust and contain odors. To further enhance practicality, the design incorporates heightened feed wrapped in rattan, which keeps the hamper elevated off the ground to protect clothes and toys from dampness while also preventing scratches on the floor. Beyond functionality, the Hermina Nursery Hamper also serves as a decorative piece. Its natural rattan appearance gives it a warm, minimalist aesthetic that blends beautifully with classic, American, or modern interior styles. More than just a laundry basket, it can double as a stylish storage unit for toys or household essentials, making it suitable for a nursery, bedroom, bathroom, or living room. The Hermina Nursery Hamper is an excellent choice for parents looking for a durable, organized, and attractive laundry solution that also elevates the look of their home. At number 4, the LGENHOOM Nursery Hamper offers a stylish and functional way to manage laundry while enhancing the overall look of your home. With a capacity of 65 liters and dimensions measuring 26 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, this rectangular hamper provides ample space for clothing, towels, or baby essentials while maintaining a compact footprint that fits neatly in bedrooms, nurseries, or bathrooms. Constructed from natural water hyacinth, it embodies durability and eco-conscious design, making it a dependable choice for households that value both practicality and sustainability. The natural woven texture adds a warm, bohemian aesthetic that blends seamlessly with modern and rustic decor. A key highlight of this hamper is its removable and washable liner bags, which make sorting and transporting laundry much more convenient. Instead of handling an entire hamper, you can simply lift out a liner bag, take it to the washing machine, and place it back when finished. To ensure clothes remain fresh and protected, the hamper includes a built-in lid that conceals laundry while keeping out dust and odors, giving your space a tidy and organized appearance. Integrated side handles make it easy to carry from room to room, while the addition of 1.85-inch heightened feet lifts the hamper slightly off the ground. This thoughtful feature not only prevents moisture buildup, but also makes it easier to clean the floor beneath it.
Finishing off our list is the HAIXIN Home Nursery Hamper, a thoughtfully designed storage solution created with children in mind. Compact yet spacious, it measures 19.3 inches in length, 12.2 inches in width, and 19.62 inches in height, offering a 60-liter capacity that is perfect for kids' laundry, toys, quilts, or even art supplies. With its child-friendly height of just over 21 inches, this hamper encourages independence by allowing children as young as 3 years old to participate in household activities and learn to keep their spaces neat and organized. Built from durable, high-quality plastic, it is waterproof, easy to clean, and resistant to chipping, cracking, or fading, making it a long-lasting choice for active households. The collapsible design is another highlight, enabling quick assembly without tools and allowing the hamper to be folded flat when not in use for convenient storage. A practical lid keeps clothes or toys hidden away while also protecting them from dust and moisture. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.